Fresh glaze on the D-roll, pulling up, smoking haze through the back door. We get that fresh glaze on the D-roll, pulling up, smoking haze for days. We get that fresh glaze on the D-roll, pulling up, smoking haze through the back door.
Bear Witness wants to welcome you to Singapore. Another beautiful day in Singapore. Man, it is hot today. I think it's like 35, but we are, woo! Look how beautiful it is. Man, we are in Toa Payoh right now, which is where we have been staying for the last few days. And we're about to grab a Grab, which is their version of Uber, which it should be down there somewhere. And we're on our way to go grab it. We just arrived down at Marina Bay Sands Hotel, but this building is completely ominous. Ominous? That. My God. Insane. At night, Marina Bay turns into a fantastic show of lights and live performances, something you do not want to miss.
The merlion, Singapore's iconic mascot, with the head of a lion and the body of a fish.
So right now we're just biking over to Gardens by the Bay, where they have a show that comes on and you can watch a light show with music. We missed it the other day, but today we're to check it out. The infamous Super Grove. Quite cool. Vertical gardens resembling towering trees with very large canopies. And at night, oh man, at night, the most colorful light show you can ever imagine.
The Helix Bridge, a unique design resembling the double helix structure found in our DNA.
What do you do if you have a small country? Well, you build the largest floating stage. This thing is huge. It's used from everything from sporting events to live concerts.
Mesmerizing, beautiful, captivating, whatever the words, Shops by the Bay is the most elegant and amazing mall I've ever been to. And extremely expensive.
Chopard, Dior, Armani, Versace, Burberry. Versace, Armani, Burberry. Whitney.
Now for a little shopping. Our first stop, Chinatown. Chinatown, with its colorful Peranakan shop houses and handful of historic attractions, this is a fantastic place to go for a stroll and see what you can find. A lot of the time in Chinatown, when you're done with one shop, the shopkeeper will whisk you away to go view another shop, even though you're not even looking for that shop.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Somehow I was convinced, though, to get a custom tailored shirt. Silk of the Orient. You convinced me. Good job. Bugis Street Market is one of the biggest, cheapest, and probably coolest places to come shopping in all of Singapore. 50 years ago, that's when it started. And now, the famous shopping district is better known as one of Singapore's centrals and speedy nightlifes. Bugis has long shaken off its naughty, kind of bad side. However, now it's a hub of shopping, fine dining, trendy cafes, and bars that stay open long into the night. Bugis Street Market is next to Bugis MRT station, and it's easy to access and a great place to go at night. If you want some more shopping, you gotta check out Mustafa in Singapore. It's a 24-hour shopping mall that has everything. And when I mean everything, I mean everything. Oh my gosh, check it out.
We're right now in the craziest store. It has everything. Tons and tons of everything. Yeah.
The aisles are jam-packed with stuff. Endless amounts of gold bangles. This is crazy. And it keeps going, like all the way down. Jeebus. Oh, hello. Oh my gosh. Anklet.
Yeah, in the wedding.
Yeah. That one is our traditional this one.
Yeah.
So on the bride and the
On her wedding day, she
The
wears
wedding
that, right?
day, she wear like that.
I've never seen so much jewelry.
It's almost like unreal.
Oh, turtles.
Jeff.
If you want to get away from the bustling city life of Singapore and you want to go for a nice walk, why don't you explore the Chinese gardens of Singapore? They have 13.5 hectares of garden that feels like a slice of ancient China transplanted in the west of Singapore. This place is absolutely beautiful, and it is a must if you like the outdoors and like going for walks in beautiful places. At the end of the day, with the busy city life, we'd take a grab home and we would find a local hawker center. Hawker centers are cheap and have the very best food.
So all of this food right here from this fantastic place up here was about $6.50 Canadian. Oh my God, mouse.
Thanks for joining us on our exploration of Singapore. See you guys in the next video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and check out all of our social medias. Next time on Bear Witness, we enter Malaysia and explore a place called Malacca.